Keith's an amazing guy.
What is up? It is Red, the Rideshare Ginger, coming right back at you. And I guess I'm doing these ship shopping bullshit on different days now. This is like Wednesday that I'm finally filming this damn thing. They're supposed to come out on Saturdays. Maybe I'll get back into that, 6-minute ship shopping Saturday. It sounds great and all, but I can't get that shit done on time half the time. And the thing is, I'm not working Saturdays right now, so it's tough to remember to video on Saturdays. And I am doing some Saturdays, but like I'm only going out and do a couple orders. But maybe in a week, I think girlfriend's schedule flips back, so then I'll be back on Saturdays. And I'll be more consistent with getting these on Saturdays. But whatever, doesn't matter. I got a couple of tips, maybe 3 tips, see how much time we got here. I'm gonna try to get it done in 6 minutes or less, but we'll see how many tips I can get out there. So tip number 1 is, I don't know if you can tell right now, you might be able to hear my windshield wipers, see a little rain on the window. It's raining. You should work, whether it's Uber Eats, DoorDash, Shipt, Instacart, whatever the hell it is, you should do that when it's raining. Because while you probably don't want to be out in the rain, I don't want to be out in the rain, many other drivers don't want to be out in the rain. So there's less people out there, more orders, more money. So you're better off shopping when it's raining or doing DoorDash when it's raining. And it sounds like a simple, easy thing, but it's like I've already had a couple of good orders on there today because it's raining. And it was raining yesterday, and I did $230 in 6 hours or something like that. And I was just kind of meandering around, and I wasn't like chasing or anything. So it's shop when it's raining. Best tip I can give you. Not the best tip. It's a good tip. The next tip is you need to know on Shipt at least when the order flips over to the next promo level. And they switch it up slightly every so often, but in general, at 6 after the hour, the order will go to $2 for promo. And this is like, so let's say you're looking at an order that's delivered to 10 to 11. So at 9:06, $2 will get added to that order. And then at about 9:12 to 9:13, somewhere in there, it goes to $5. Sometimes it's not until 9:16. They switch them up all the time, so you need to learn it and know what it is. And then the next one is, it's traditionally about 9:32, sometimes 9:33, and almost all the orders will flip at this time, but every once in a while there's a straggler and that order won't flip till 9:34 or something like that. And I've seen it at 9:32, so like they've been switching around, but it's traditionally 9:32 to like 9:34. That's when it'll go to a $10 promo. It used to go to 15 at that point, now it only goes to 10. And then you won't see it jump to 15 until the hour mark. So, and then at that point too, normally it'll get bumped to the next hour. So it's a 10 to 11 order. At 10 to 10:05, it'll flip over, it'll go to a $15 promo, and then it'll jump to either 11 or 12 to be delivered. So you need to know those times, because that's when you should be checking the app. Sorry, got interrupted by a phone call there. But as I was saying, I kind of plan out my orders a little bit, and I check on those times to grab the order. Like if I want to do a $5 promo, I'm checking it like, right around 12 to 15, somewhere in there. If I'm only waiting for $10 on that order, then I'm not checking back till 9:30 to take a look at it. So you're not always constantly watching the app. Yeah, you're going to lose some orders that way because other people are jumping in there grabbing it. But I think it's important to know those times and know when to switch over and go grab that order. And because that phone call interrupted me, I don't know what the hell time we're at. So I'm going to do one more tip for you, and hopefully we'll be around 6 minutes. This is a Shipt shopping update, but the last tip is sign up for Instacart. I've only done a few orders with Instacart, but it took all of 30 minutes for me to get approved. Background check, everything done, 30 minutes. And then you add the card to your Apple wallet, and you're good to go if you have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, I don't know if they have a wallet like that for Android devices or whatever, but if they do, then same thing. But I know there's a lot of issues with Instacart right now. Orders are being snatched up like crazy. They think there's bots out there that are doing it. I don't know how true it is. I haven't looked too much at Instacart. I just joined some forums recently to kind of learn about it a little bit. But I've gotten a few orders, some good orders. But the reason I'm saying that is Shipt, like I was telling you before, slowed down for a good week and a half to 2 weeks. And I didn't have Instacart during that time, and I just didn't make as much money. But when I had Instacart, I would have been able to supplement a little bit. The last 2 weeks that I've had Instacart, I've done an extra $70 on it both ways. I think I did 65 and then 72 or something like that the last 2 weeks. Just kind of a little bit of a supplement on it. But Shipt's been really good right now. When Shipt slows down again, which it's looking, for some reason it's slowing down this week, we'll see. But when Shipt slows down again, I will grab more Instacart orders again. It's good to have that backup. And for me, if I'm in the shopping mode, I want to shop. I don't want to switch over and do DoorDash, Uber Eats, and all that stuff. But you should have all the platforms available for yourself. Get registered for everything. Who knows how long this shit's going to last. Every state, every market's different. But those are the quick tips for today. I'm probably over 6 minutes. But until next time, guys, like, comment, share, let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, let me know what you think. I appreciate you watching. Thanks.